Message from Adama of Telos. It has been said, no more beyond this point. Dear brothers of the earth's surface, I am Adama of Telos. We greet you with joy. Before your incarnation, the Creator promised that in this very life, you would be allowed to embody the fullness of your divine presence. You would be allowed to manifest on earth in your current incarnation the fullness of your divinity and your spiritual gifts, which have been hidden from you for so long. Understand that the beings controlling your planet intend to stop at all costs this developing enlightenment, as this will end their reign. As the dark forces strive to bring all of you and the planet into greater servitude and increase your loyalty to separation and fear, the polarity of light will create at the same time the awakening and enlightenment. Even the planetary bodies in the heavens have aligned to facilitate this increase in consciousness soon. Those who are destined to form new governments and economic structures have been preparing for this day. Many have masked their true identities within the very groups they seek to replace. Brothers of the earth, reach out with your heart to recognize who may be your new leaders. All new structures will be formed for the benefit of the collective. This is a very important key to identifying those who are finally ready to truly support humanity. Not even national borders will prevent those who support true change from uniting. These conflicts will initiate an acceleration across the planet and will help awaken millions to a new consciousness of their unity and a reconsideration of new values in their lives. You will discover new goals and purposes more aligned with your divine nature. As a result of these conflicts, you will find millions of people swelling the ranks of the lightworkers and joining to create a lasting peace and a new reality based on divine truths. These conflicts will also help to erode the obsolete patriarchal structures that no longer serve you. Be prepared to experience some sadness and also witness suffering that will take place. This will help you open your heart and facilitate your step into the higher dimension. Also, it will clear a lot of accumulated karma. Giving way to the new order and recognition. Divine children of Gaia, allow the hand of the Creator to exert its magic. He is watching closely, protecting the earth and its people, who have chosen to stay and embrace their new and glorious destiny. Light a candle of hope in your hearts. A completely new world awaits you. Millions of people from this planet have united and have manifested their intention to achieve peace, and so it will be. We watch you with love and joy for having the courage and stand up against the tyranny of governments, saying, "No more beyond this point. Your day is over." As the vibration continues to increase on the planet, so will your responsibilities. Our brothers of Telos are gathering our teams to implement our plans with many of you in every corner and country of this planet. We will work in goodwill with all who wish to serve the common good with us. Our mission will involve a large number of people who wish to help from the heart. Keep the candle of hope lit in your heart, because beyond the dark clouds, there is joy, tranquility, and grace. The dawn of a new world of unity and love, where there will be no more violence. Take care of each other. In times of need, extend your love and comfort to those who have not had the chance to learn what you already know. Become a pillar of peace for all those who are afraid, so they can lean on you in search of comfort. We will be close to you, providing much love and assistance. I say goodbye until the next communication. I am Adama of Telos. What a great message from our brother Adama. I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the flame of light in service to Gaia, voice by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember that you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you at every step. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of light and eternal love. We are your beacon of light on the path. If you are new to the channel and this topic resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments and share. Together we can learn and expand our knowledge on this spiritual journey, allowing us to achieve the life we truly deserve. Thank you, thank you, thank you.